Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're checking out the Ford Performance High Performance Turbocharger for the 2015 to 2023 Mustang EcoBoost. This turbocharger kit is ideal for those of you looking to enhance your engine's performance, whether you're aiming for a better throttle response, more horsepower, or improving your overall driving experience. If you're looking to increase boost and maximize your car's potential, this kit is a great option. The turbocharger is designed for a direct fit to your Mustang's factory components and offers significant improvements in both efficiency and power. This turbocharger increases airflow, which leads to higher power output and quicker spool times, translating into faster acceleration and more responsive driving experience. The upgraded internals and precision engineering allow this turbo to handle higher boost levels while maintaining reliability. This kit comes with the turbocharger, mounting hardware, and gaskets, ensuring a seamless installation. It's a perfect upgrade if you're planning on pushing your Mustang to the next level with more aggressive tuning, or you're just looking to get the most out of your engine. But you will want to tune it after installing for proper adjustments to be made. The turbo features a billet compressor wheel and an upgraded turbine design, allowing for a smoother, more efficient power delivery. A nice added feature is the 36,000 mile warranty that Ford Performance offers on this product. The turbocharger is built using durable materials, including a high-strength steel turbine and compressor. It has a 50mm turbine wheel and a slightly larger than factory 63mm compressor wheel. This construction ensures reliability even under increased pressures of performance tuning. The turbocharger's precision assembly further improves its reliability and longevity. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in around that $1,000 price range. This is a reasonable investment for anybody looking to seriously boost their Mustang's power without going into more expensive aftermarket kits. The value here is excellent for the level of performance that you're gonna see. Installation is going to be pretty straightforward for anybody familiar with working on turbochargers or forced induction systems. It's going to be rated right at the middle of the road at 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale, and the install should only take you around an hour if you know what you're doing. Alright, now that's going to wrap up my review of the Ford Performance High Performance Turbocharger for the 2015 to 2023 EcoBoost Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.